अगर इसलिए यू नीड दिस फोन, दिस इज फॉर यू. Oppo Reno 14 Pro. Let's find out the power of this phone, so don't skip any part of this video. I am your host Harshit Arora. चलिए टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं, सीधा शुरू करते हैं. The Oppo Reno 14 Pro comes with an aluminum frame and the matte finish glass back. This phone does not attract fingerprints on the back. You get all the controls on the right side and you can easily reach them also. The camera island is glassy and looks good too. In-hand feel is superb. I mean, every time I hold this phone in my hand, it feels premium. So yeah, you can flaunt its design in front of your friends. You get a 6.83-inch LTPS OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. The display bezels are very slim, which makes it look premium. And I think once you start binge watching on this, you won't stop. The blacks and whites are perfectly balanced and the display is vibrant too. So you can watch horror or anime type content, वो भी बिना किसी दिक्कत के. The haptics are really good. While typing, you can actually feel it. अगर आपको strong haptics पसंद है मेरी तरह. The phone comes with IP66, IP68 and IP69 rating and Gorilla Glass 7i protection on the front. Now let's talk about the performance of this phone. The Oppo Reno 14 Pro comes with Dimensity 8450 processor, which is a 4nm based processor, and all the test results are on your screen. N2 benchmarking में it scored almost 16 lakh, which is good. Real life users की अगर बात करें तो you can do multitasking on it without any problem. You can switch between many apps आसानी से and you don't feel any lag. Talking of gaming, you can play any high-end games on this device. I tried BGMI, Genshin Impact, Shadow Fight 4 and many other games also, and मेरे सभी gaming session was flawless. I was playing BGMI at graphics at Ultra HDR and frame rate at Ultra. The gameplay was superb. कोई frame drop या lag नहीं था and I got consistent 90 FPS while playing the game. Genshin Impact gameplay के दौरान the graphics and frame rate setting were at max also and मुझे उसमें max 60 FPS का gameplay मिल गया था. The device doesn't get too hot while playing either. हल्का फुल्का हीट था but it is manageable. At last I would say gaming 100% perfection से कर सकते हैं. अगर इसलिए you need this phone, this is for you. Oppo Reno 14 Pro comes with a triple rear camera setup of 50MP primary lens, 50MP telephoto lens and a 50MP ultra wide lens. Even on the front side, it comes with a 50MP selfie shooter also. Camera quality wise is good. In almost all kinds of lighting situation, the pictures are clear and detailed. Even if you use the ultra wide lens, the details are clear. You get 3.5x optical zoom in the rear camera and अगर आप चाहें तो इससे मैक्रो भी ठीक ठाक तरह से ले सकते हैं even when it does not have any physical macro lens. Portrait mode में this camera will really impress you. You get really sharp detail and edge detection भी काफी अच्छे से कर लेता है. After post processing, it can detect even the minute edges of the picture. आपको एक अच्छा bokeh effect मिलता है. Even the color saturation is too good, is close to natural. Moving on, let's talk about the selfie cam. The selfie cam is capable of capturing sharp, detailed and crisp pictures. The dynamic range of the pictures is really good and I am more impressed because the skin tone is also very close to natural if you don't use any filter or beautification option. Selfie portraits भी शानदार आती हैं, same as the rear one. You get many editing options, but the most useful one are AI eraser and AI perfect shot for me at least. This camera can record videos up to 4K at 60 FPS from both rear and front cameras. The OIS is working absolutely good. You can use to record action videos also and the video quality is outstanding. Another reason why you can consider this phone is battery. You get 6200 mAh battery with a 80-watt fast charger. This phone is very nicely optimized when it comes to the battery part. This phone charged from 0 to 100% in just 48 minutes. I tried this 2 times and trust me, the result is same. After charging it 100%, I have used this phone for almost 1.5 days and I was using it for gaming, binge watching and my office work. But if you are a moderate user, तो ये आपका साथ 2 दिन तक भी निभा सकता है. ये फोन चार्जिंग के टाइम हल्का फुल्का हीट होता है, but it is not an issue because it cool down even faster. So overall, Oppo Reno 14 Pro is a phone जो क्लासी दिखता है, डिस्प्ले इज एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग फॉर बिंज वॉचिंग, परफॉर्मेंस वाइज तो ये मॉन्स्टर है, यू कैन एंजॉय एनी गेम एंड द कैमरा इज क्वाइट गुड टू। बैटरी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग मिल जाएगी आपको, तो यू डोंट नीड टू यूज द चार्जर अगेन एंड अगेन। वेल, विच पार्ट डू यू लाइक अबाउट दिस फोन? डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड सब्सक्राइब टू Gadget 360 फॉर मोर सच कूल टेक रिव्यूज। आई एम योर होस्ट हर्षित अरोरा, मिलता हूं अगली वीडियो में।